Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Make It For Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be just using my shit. I told you, as promised, I'm going to be using the makeup of 2021. Today I basically like had an alien invasion on my face. So if you guys are interested, I used a bunch of alien products, some other things, and stuff, some shit and stuff. If you guys are interested in seeing what I used, I did use the Not Normal palette, and then I used like some of the all shimmer palettes. I just was like, I don't know what I was doing. If you guys are interested in seeing what I came up with and how I got this look, and just like seeing a look, I don't know if I even talked that much. Basically, I promised you guys that I would be using my old stuff, and I am fucking doing it. Honestly, all I really want to do is use the Bad Witch palette. I'm not gonna lie. It's like so in my face right now. Like every outfit all I can see is Bad Witch colors. So, so I actually like did this because I promised you guys I would be using my old shit, and a lot of you guys have expressed that gratitude for that, and like talked about how like I see you guys. I see you guys. So anyways, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and seeing what I used to get it, then just hang out. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of P. Louise primer on the top of my... just a teensy, not too much. And then I'm just going to kind of pat this out. Kind of as I would concealer, just kind of carving out the line right here. And just bringing it down to the brow bone. Okay, and then I'm going to use my JESSUP 233 cream shader, it's called. And I'm gonna go into the color Ecstasy and my P. Louise Acid Rain, P. Louise and Mama Mitchell Acid Rain paints. And I'm just gonna kind of squeeze this up. I've never used it, it's brand new. I'm just taking a little tiny bit, and I'm just gonna place this all over the lid and bring it up over the brow, or up above the crease. I'm not used to working with these, so if I seem like I'm being a little quiet, I kind of am. I like that. I like the shape, I like everything about that. So I'm just going to go in with, say, my REPHR 13, and I'm just going to kind of blend out the edge there a little tiny bit. I just want to see what happens in the crease here. So I'm going to keep my lid closed because I can see it's kind of creasy a little anyways. I'm just going to let this set up. I'm always looking for a way to do a smoky eye without getting any creasing in my hooded eyes. Always. I'm just going to put the cap on this. And then I'm going into my Not Normal palette by Alien. And I'm going to use my Spectrum AO7. And I'm going to go into the color Smoke. And I'm just going to pack this along that. Wow. That was like a one dip trip. Holy fuck. That is a really that's a powerful spread. Okay, I'm just kind of tapping out the edges. Dang. Nice. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH, or my Morphe M506, and I'm going to go into the color Grunge. You guys know I was like really undecided about between sultry and grunge when I did my original look on this. So I just really wanted to use it before I give a final judgment. And most of you know, like, this isn't normally like what I would choose, but you know, I feel like deep inside I have a sexy, sultry, grungy like prowess, and I've always wanted to do like a really like sexy, dark, grungy, smoky eye. So this is my attempt. This is another boring bitch look, but it's gonna be not boring. It's gonna be sexy, hopefully. Dang, I kind of just want to leave it like that. You know what? I was going to put the yellow around the edge, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm already at 8 minutes and 25 seconds, for the love of Christ. My Morphe JH43, this flat smudger, and I'm going to go into smoke, or actually, I think I'm going to go into this paint, just a little dab, I'll do her, and I'm just going to get this tight up against. And I'm just really getting that lift right there so that you can, you know, lift. And then I'm just using this to kind of get the harsh line out. I'm going to use my REPHR 2, number 3, and I'm going to go into smoke. And I'm just going to use this to kind of blend that out a little. What is this right here? Get rid of it. And with my Morphe M506, I'm going to go into grunge. With my ZOEVA 231, I'm going to go into the color smoke just barely, and I'm just going to kind of dang, that looks fucking beautiful. I'm going back into grunge. I'm going in with the, I'm doing it, you guys. I'm gonna go in with the yellow. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for wasting everyone's time, but I can't stop myself. I'll go in with my GOSS number 19, and I'm gonna go into the color Exorcise. Oh man. Shit. This is fucking good. Oh my god. Wow. You guys see this? Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth and blend and blend and blend, and I'm gonna do that silently so that I can get this like edited as quickly as possible. Who knew? Okay, I'm so sorry that I'm not talking very much, but I really kind of just want to hurry and get this knocked out. So I'm going to take my Made by Mitchell ME4, and it kind of, I use it sometimes to put on eyeshadow primer, but I'm just going to put on a little tiny bit of something that I can't find. Of course I can't. Oh, because it's right in front of my face, that's why. I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer, and I'm just going to, actually, I'm going to stop right there. And I'm just going to kind of tap this on, just a little tiny, tiny skosh. And I'm going to go into my All I Ever Wanted palette, and I'm going to take the color Planet X, and I'm just going to use the other side of this brush, and I'm going to drag that across my lid. Okay. Yeah, I am. And I'm just going to kind of blend this so it doesn't have such a harsh line, but... And then I'm going to kind of go back into smoke with my Spectrum AO, whatever, AO7, and just kind of tap this. I'm going to take a little pencil brush, this BEILI pencil brush that I actually really like. And I'm going to go into the color DBJ5. Oh, Don't Be Jelly number 5. And I'm just going to drag this right there. I'm going to use the color Basic for my inner corner highlight. Yep. Dude, this is fucking... And since I did it, I'm going to put Basic on my brow bone as well. Or actually, I'm going to stop right fucking there because I really like that yellow. In fact, I'm going to go back and reinforce it because I just don't want to take it away. I'm going to go finish my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in I have no fucking idea. NYX Slide On Glide On All Day Hard On in Golden Olive. My Odin's Eye Flower Blusher in Little Jasmine. Looks like this. Then I used my Alien Cosmetics Lowlight in Extraterrestrial as my highlighter, and my Alien Cosmetics Lippie in Mandy. So I thought it looked amazing. Oh yeah, I also went in and put some of that Extraterrestrial in my inner corner. I can't leave that matte. I try. So, I mean, I just don't normally. So anyway, I really enjoyed this. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this fucking shit blended so well. Like, it just kept blending. Like, it just kept blending and blending. Like, no matter what I did, it just blended. It just blend and blend. I don't know how to explain it, but these colors also, like, I feel like I missed out on the Grunge palette by Give Me Glow, and I feel like I kind of missed out on the Rust palette with Melt Cosmetics, and I feel like this is very reminiscent of the Rust stack, and also gives me those grungy tones that I wish I would have gotten with the Give Me Glow palette. And I just didn't want to pay however much. I think it was like 50 bucks for nine pans of matte shadows. So anyways, I think this looks amazing, and I love this like grungy dark smoky eye. Also, the All I Ever Wanted palette, come on, it's fucking bomb, dude. That's it. So anyways, you can buy any of these products on it's actually Unearthly Cosmetics now. They rebranded on the Unearthly website. Use code LOSSEDKATIE, LOSSED, to save you 10%. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality and my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. Also, if you got like halfway through this video and you're like, what the fuck? She sure is pretty till she opens her mouth. Go check me out on Instagram. I'm actually very offensive on Instagram lately. I don't know why. It's just like starting, my real personality, my true nature is starting to come out. That's what it is. But not that fucking offensive, but my, I don't know, maybe I'm about midsies. I think there's people who are more offensive. Anyway, God, my makeup looks fucking good. Shoot, girl. Hey. No wonder you don't have a boyfriend. No one can love you like I love you, bitch. Also, I just opened up a Patreon. So, for those of you who are feeling lost, you guys are my lost. My Patreons, they're my lost ones. I kind of feel like that's like what's sticking. So that's going to be my shtick. And go check out my Patreon. I definitely I'm going to be talking. There's going to be exclusive content on there, probably some lives. I'm not exactly sure what that's going to look like, but my first upload is already live. It's on there. My Patreon link is look down below. At least go read the description box. It's so good. My description box is so good. If that don't light you on fire, I don't know what the fuck will. Well, fuck it. I will be talking on my Patreon, on the uploads on my Patreon. I will be talking about things that I don't necessarily feel comfortable talking about on my channel. Not because I'm holding any secrets from you. You guys know I'll fucking tell you everything, but there are certain things that I don't necessarily want the people close to me to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.